Hello, and welcome to the first in a set of tutorials offered by the Gaiman Public Library to help you, the public, use tools that we, the staff, use in the library in order to find the books that you want. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the site Fantastic Fiction. You're going to locate a book in a series by a specific author. You will learn how to find out what books are in a series, and you will learn how to determine which books are upcoming in a series. The first step is to go to the website. In the web address bar, you will type in fantasticfiction.com. On the home page of the website, you will find a search bar, and you will be given the option to search by author or book from a drop-down menu. In this case, we will search for author. In the search bar, type in the name of the author you would like to search for. In this case, we will use James Patterson, who is a very popular author. At the top of the page, you'll see the author's name, date of birth, and you would also see the date of death if that author has passed away. You will also find a short biography of the author. Scrolling down, you'll find a list of books that the author is bringing out in the future. In this case today, we'll use Red Alert, which is book 5 in the NYPD Red series. Scrolling down, we will look for NYPD Red series. As you can see, the title of the series is listed at the top and followed by a number of the books that have been published in that series, including the dates that they were published. So we will scroll down to NYPD Red, and since it is a more recent series, it will be further down towards the bottom of the page. As you can see, there are 5 books in the NYPD Red series. It also tells you that James Patterson has a partner writing this series with him. The NYPD Red book is listed as number 5, and next to it, it has the date of the year that it is being published. Choose Red Alert from the list of books, and a page will come up that shows you what type of format the book is coming out in: hardcover, paperback on the 17th of July, audiobook on the 26th of March, and Kindle on the 26th of March. You can also see the typical price for the books. You can find that it is available from Amazon.com. And if you scroll down, you'll also see a summary of the book and the genre to which it belongs. Further down the page, we'll find similar books by other authors for read-alikes. And further down the page, you find the place that you can buy it, in this case from Amazon. Let's go back up and search for one more author. One of my favorite authors is Barbara Michaels. As you can see here, she has passed away, and she passed away in 2013. But another neat feature of Fantastic Fiction is that it also shows you the pen names for an author. In this case, her actual name is Barbara Mertz, and her pen names are Barbara Michaels and Elizabeth Peters. You can scroll down and see here are her books in the list of a series. And you can see all of the novels that she has written. Let's look up one other author, Nora Roberts. You can see here her pen names, Sarah Hardesty, Jill March, and J.D. Robb, and books that she has upcoming, and her series. So in this tutorial, we've located a book in a series by a specific author, we've found out what books are in a series, and you have determined which books are upcoming in a series. I hope that you will join us in our other tutorials over the tools that we use in the Guyman Public Library to help you find books. Have a wonderful day.